So I'm Carmine, if you guys don't know me. I'm the founder of Chat with Work and also the author of Ruby LLM. And that's actually where Ruby LLM came from. This is the project. So let me tell you a little bit of a story. In 2024, just before going out of my previous company, I had a question posed to me by one of my employees. And that question was buried, turns out, into one of the conversations that we had in the sales channel under a thread of like many messages. And it was not very well worded. It was horrible. And I couldn't find that. I couldn't find that at all. So then I asked another employee, and turns out he just remembered what it was. And I felt so bad, you know, the CTO and founder of this company that doesn't know this. And I thought, hey, there should be a better way to search stuff. Which turns out a lot of people had that thought. But what I meant is there should be a better way to search stuff in multiple places, everywhere in your workplace, right? And it turns out a lot of people also had that thought, but also, you know, they started building things, and they started building it in a different way than I thought I would. So I don't know if you guys have heard companies like Glean, for example. They have to synchronize your entire Google Drive, your entire Notion, your entire whatever you have at work in order to actually build then the RAG system that they have. And I thought, wait, we have tool calls. So can we let the AI decide actually when to do things? And can we let the AI decide how to search things? Because let's think about how people search, right? We would go to Google Drive, and we would search something, right? Then we would look at some files, and we would think, oh, is this the correct file? Maybe not. Maybe we'll look at another file. And that's how Chat with Work kind of works. So maybe let me show you a second. Let's say we want to search for my meal plan. Actually, no, that's the easiest. But let me see one of the use cases here. So let me see about the Strutman launch problems. This was one thing that happened actually at FreshFlow. And let's now search it on Google Drive. Strutman, and it comes out with all of these things, right? This is impossible for me to parse and do it in a quick way. Instead, if we go and ask Chat with Work, it would actually do it. Let's actually do it live. Let's make a new chat. What Chat with Work will do is to basically use a tool call to search into our Google Drive. Right now, it's only doing Google Drive, but in the future, I will support also other services like Slack, like GitHub, like whatever people actually want. So like, please send me some text in the chat over here. If you're using it, even if you're not using it, I will always listen to the customers. I think that's the beauty of just being a solo founder. So it will first search in Google Drive, and then what it would do is will retrieve every single document that it has found, right? And cache it. And then do a grep, essentially, inside that file. Now, certain files, they're not text files, right? In that case, I would extract the text for whatever file it is and actually put it inside the database. And then the LLM will decide, should I read an entire file, or should I actually just retrieve, give an answer, right? And it can also do any kind of other agentic workflows. So it can decide, oh, well, this search actually didn't really work, so I'm going to search something else. And in this case, yeah, there you go. There was a problem, and this was the problem. So it saves a lot of time, and it can have many disparate kind of use cases. Right now, it's in invite-only alpha. So you guys can try it out. I have like a free tier for everybody that makes it inside the top of the waitlist. If you guys go and sign up at chatwithwork.com, you can sign up to the waitlist, and then if you refer people, you can actually get bumped up. And I will start to open the waitlist quite soon, so you can start using it. The vision here is that for now, it works only with search, read, and list files. But in the future, I would actually like it to also write the files. And not only that, I also want to integrate other services like Slack, like anything that people use in their real work. I want this to be the new way of working with documents and with information at work. So if you like it, go sign up, and I hope to see you in the waitlist.